morning. Welcome to another edition of Independent Investor on Independent TV. My name is Kingsley and still.
And with Komodo.
Okay, this morning we are looking at yet another down market. The market at this morning's trade is down 0.9%. Yesterday it was down by more than 2%. Ambrose, what is happening? This Brexit effect is beginning to tell more. This market is going back into the negative. Are you not afraid?
I'm not afraid, but I know that market will also get to a place, a point that it will reverse and bounce back. But in the first place, markets have rallied for 2 weeks.
Yes.
People are taking profit already.
Yes.
In addition to the Britain exit from Europe, that's another force that we are seeing now. But even from now, the market can reverse. Why? As you're expecting more factors to support the market. Before now, the high inflation is in favor of the market. Yeah. Now we're expecting earnings to start pulling in from this week. Because something that has March year end, so to do that at this point, those that have December at year end as from next week, that will be another factor that will change the market mode as we speak now. And also, some stock like Nestle and stock like Zenith pulling back, an attraction for you to enter those stocks. So as an investor, what you just hold your cash, look for a support level and drop back to the market. Once you do, you make money from it.
I like analysts like you, always optimistic that there is value to be extracted even in the midst of illiquidity. No, there's no liquidity in the market.
No, there is.
Okay.
There is. Because the foreign investors that were trapped in the country because of the policy, when the new policy came on board, most of them see opportunity in our stock, but most of our stock are undervalued. So they put their fund and go back straight because they came at a lower exchange rate, and now at the market demand and supply rate is high. Already they have lost some money. They need to play the correct market so that they can back their money before they pull out. It came back to the market. That's why I saw stuff like Nestle, Nigeria Brewery, Guinness, all on the top of a list of last week because they had the stock they buy. On that, because of this new Britain exit from Europe, then they try to okay, let's watch and see. Because to go back to their country now, if they are from that zone, it's not the market there is also crashing. They need to go down and watch. I said the market has adjusted. And they are seeing any relief here in our market, they will jump back. To me, the market is okay because many funds also that are in fixed deposit, other savings windows are coming back to the capital market just to hedge against inflation. They are repeating the system. Although it's not because there is panic now because of the editor. That is the only thing. And people are taking profit. I see that once profit takers have reduced the rate of taking profit, and this Britain able to give us a plan, but they have 2 years before they put out finally. If they see a plan that are running out, they'll see a reversal in the market. To me, investors should not panic, or even if they want to take position, what to look at where to bottom out before we jump into any stock.
Investors should not panic. Maybe we'll make you the next MD of the Nigerian Stock Exchange or the SEC because the confidence you always bring in the midst of even all this. The market is down. Yesterday, the market lost 2.64%, and that resulted in the market capitalization shedding blood as much as 278 billion naira. And you say all is well.
All is well.
Year today, the market, as at yesterday, was up 4.17%, as against last week's 7.10%. Where yesterday's decliners, we had UCAP 7.94%, Zenith Bank 6.12%, Stanbic IBTC, a story we need to tell today, 5.0%, FO 5.0%, Seplat 4.98%. What is happening?
If I'm talking the loser chart, to me is not the news. This is a stock that moved from 1 naira 50 kobo to 2 naira 60 kobo. Investors are bound to take profit. And if such stock is doing nice, it's not because the fundamental of the stock is still intact. Only that the price is pulling back. That's why a good investor will only buy stock with fundamental and technical analysis and also sell with technical analysis because even though we are selling now, the fundamental of the company is still tight, but we are selling to buy at a lower price so that we can make money. For you to have a good one that is dropping, for people that are not yet there to enter at a lower price. So stuff like
we're expecting Zenith to release its half-year results, and its price is dropping. what is happening.
It's dropping because people also taking profit in Zenith Bank. And from next week, which is July, we're expecting them to release their second quarter. But because they're going to pay interim, it might not come early in July. It might come either towards the end of July or early August. So it's going to be audited account before they pay dividend. But others are not going to pay interim. They can come as far as the first day of July because they are not auditing their results, just the management account. But for those who are going to pay interim, they need to be audited before they can pay any dividend out.
Okay, Stanbic IBTC.
Some guys they have been consistent in terms of dividend payment, but as we speak now, they are yet to release their results for 20%, first quarter for 20%, as a result of issue they are having with the financial reporting council, which I know if they sort it out, it will be good for the investor and also for the market. And I think at this point, I will call on the relevant body to look into it because investors in Africa for now for more than getting to 8 months, they don't know what is happening in the company, in the bank, because your investment decision is being informed by what you are seeing. Because numbers is very important in equity investment. If you didn't see their full year results for 50%, first quarter, as an investor, you can't jump into such equity. I think that the price is dropping because people that are there, people that want to pay, they are not sure what to do. The outcome from the the company reporting their council. Actually, they need to sort this in out so that the result of this company bank will be out.
Okay, so for the sake, you heard it, for the sake of the stakeholders, the depositors, and the investors, the Chartered Institute of Bankers, the Securities and Exchange Commission, the Nigerian Stock Exchange, and the CBN should find a way of arbitrating between Stanbic IBTC and the Financial Reporting Council. The matter has lingered for too long. Now let's move on. FO.
FO is profit taking because FO they gave the bonus share, and that bonus share they give has made people to sell their share. That is why the price is going down. And now when we are giving a bonus share of 1 for 10, when we are giving a bonus share of 1 for 10, that means automatically they are giving you 490 naira as free cash. And people are selling it to enjoy that. That is why the price is going down. For FO, you know that also the shareholding structure of FO has supported the price because not too many share of FO are outside. It's still in few hands. And those hands, they are not ready to sell. For that will always support the price of FO. But in terms of numbers, the fundamental of FO is not too strong to support the price of FO as we speak.
Okay. Seplat
is just purely profit taking.
Okay.
Knowing that there's improvement in oil price now. And knowing that Seplat, their own target is offshore. They deal with crude. And if there's improvement in crude, also that in impact on the checker.
Okay. The advancers fits in.
Yeah. Fixing about a week ago, they announced that the warhead has given them approval that they can now produce draws for even the warhead population. That is a boost for fixing. And also, fixing share is not more than for investors that want to buy space. They're all striving for fixing now. For fixing is now available in the market. On that, it can rally because it is demand and supply. When demand is high and there's no supply, the price go up.
Also, so that means if you bought fixing on Friday at 244, if you bought fixing on Friday, yesterday within in just one trading day, you gained 9.91%. Fantastic.
Which in no money instrument, no investment will give you such return. Even if you are doing export, we give you such return in a day.
Okay, Julius Berger.
Julius Berger is just now that people are saying that government is approving all the projects they were abandoned before they were expecting that funds will come to the way of
the construction companies.
Exactly.
Okay. GSK is rallying.
Yeah, GSK after you had got from
after you people have whipped it.
After from a high of 13 naira to 14 naira, you need to rebound just for the market.
You people have taken enough profit.
Yeah, not profit. People are even panicking that for you to sell
because it sold one line.
Exactly, But from now, people understand that they are not really selling. They've sold it before now, but now it is the equipment or the machine that they've been bottling for the company before now. But now the company want to buy those equipment from them, so that they are now start putting themselves within. Now they said they promise to pay investors 60 kobo from the deal if approved at the AGM. But now people are not understanding that they can survive. That's why they are coming back. But I still hope that they can give us more well articulated business plan to take facing to the next level. So investor will know how to cash in and cash out.
PZ Industries.
PZ, PZ has May at the year end, and May is last month. Any moment from now, we're expecting PZ of the result to come around. And people also expect that when their year comes around and their first quarter at the end of the next month, they can start taking advantage of entering at a lower price before the result comes to the market.
Okay, so let's jump quickly. March end year results.
Yeah, March year results. There are few companies that have the March year as their March at the end of their full year. Stock like the
7-Up, Flour Mills, Honeywell,
Red Star,
University
Press, Academic Press. These are the few companies that have the March at the year end. For an investor, it's better you position now before the result comes to the market. Because when the result comes now, it's positive. As market react to it, you cash out. But the good thing is that if you enter now, when the result comes is on the opposite side, you can easily jump out quickly to protect your capital. Don't just say because you enter earlier, when the result go against you, so you know. Why you are earlier, so that when market reacts to the result, already you have the money. Okay, so let's talk about 7-Up. Yeah, 7-Up have been consistent in terms of performance. But their last third quarter result for after December, the result was not as impressive as expected. But the good thing for 7-Up that their share in issue is very small, and the people that hold that share, the people that the hand says they are not able to sell. That's why the price has remained at 140 for a long time, because the share is few. But for you to have it, it's good to buy now. And when they come, something can come as happened in WAPO. WAPO declared that 3 naira dividend and 1% bonus. See, the market reacted to it. So possible dividend bonus dividend can come from 7-Up. For me, investors should take position before results come first. Don't wait until results come before you start gathering for the stock.
Flour Mills.
Flour Mill, their third quarter result was fantastic. But telling that Flour Mill can't give 100% prediction of how they go, because the result always progress. Their performance will be good first quarter, second quarter. On that, we can't guarantee that the people are expecting will be as positive as the third quarter. But for investors that are thinking long, I also are the dividend investor are key into Flour Mill, because dividend will surely come from Flour Mill.
Flour Mills is one of those that engage in backward integration. Agric.
Exactly.
Are we not? That should by now be nearing maturation.
Yes, I agree that it will start impacting on their bottom line. And also, I think about last 2 minutes, they said all wheat produced in Nigeria will be, they are paid for, they will acquire, they will take it. And that is another way of granting farmers that they ready, we are ready to buy your produce, be ready. And it's another way of encouraging agriculture. But this thing, what matter that what is the impact on the bottom line? Good such decision will not start impacting on their bottom line immediately. That's why as we go forward, see how it's going to reflect on their. But to me, Flour Mill is a good stock to buy now at the price. Dividend is sure.
Okay. Honeywell
is also expecting their full year result any moment from now, between now and Friday. Yes, but let's they want to pay fine. Any company that did not release result between now and 30th of June, start paying fine. But your due date to release result is June 30th.
But what are your expectations from Honeywell?
Honeywell, I'm expecting them to pay dividend.
Okay. Now, second quarter is here. We are expecting that the banks will start releasing their numbers this month. Now, we have GT Bank, Zenith Bank, UBA, Access, Stanbic IBTC. Let's just pick those ones. What are we expecting? These are companies that usually pay interim dividend half year.
They will not debate from the norm.
Are you on their board?
No, they will debate, because Zenith just joined the queue of interim dividend payment, and they just joined last year. They can't just say Uber. Doesn't mean that they are not consistent. Access have done it for more than 4 years. TTG have done it for more than 5 years. The UBA joined the Q2 last year. They now decide to go back. Those that they are not consistent. That's that. For all these banks, we expect them to pay interim, but interim they are paying is not as high as their full year. But they are paying to try to go unless they decide to adjust it up on that ground, this can be another incentive or factor that will impact the market positively for the market to reverse up. But let's see the numbers. But the numbers determine if the numbers are positive, market response positively. If the numbers are below expectations to
go down.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's go back to Brexit. What should the Nigerian economy be expecting? A lot of people have said that the impact on the economy will not be too good, and so on and so forth. Now the British pound is trading at its lowest against the dollar since 1985.
Yes, for putting exit to affect Nigeria, it's a bit performance. For now, initially, at this stage now, we might feel it. But once they know that their own plan and what they want to do, exiting from the Eurozone, we now know what they want to achieve. That will be another direction that will attract people that are leaving. And also, if you look at it, how many British companies have head office in Nigeria? But how many investments do they have direct investment in Nigeria? These are the things we consider. But I know that as the global market is crashing as a result of the IT, it will affect our market indirectly or directly. But as also factors I've mentioned start coming to the market, to change the direction of the market because they are not having direct effect on us. But in terms of direct investment here and there, giving government one or other, they might lose at this point now until they're able to put their hopes together. Apart from that, the effect will come for it not be as much as people are
expecting.
Yeah.
Now, let's still stay on the Brexit. What did the Britons expect this? Maybe I have this hunch that they did not think it through. Yeah, they didn't bargain for it. That's why there's so much shock. Because it's like the world did not believe that Britain will call their bluff and leave the Eurozone.
Well, before such decision came out of mature, I think there are some people behind it.
Yes.
People are behind, there are some people they are thinking that their immigration, security, all this stuff. If they think that they have been there is tuition or there is access to them, what they don't like, they need to block it. It's okay for them. But to me, if they are doing a thing at this point, it's late. You have voted. Okay. All you don't need is just put a plan to put the economy to the next level and let the world see how we're going to survive. Also, there's another union they can also be affiliated to, apart from Eurozone.
Which one?
Another one, they feel like so they can go to Africa and join us in Africa.
Wow.
We welcome them.
After all, it's just 6 hours. Flight from Nigeria.
Yes.
Okay, viewers. On this note of the decision by the Britons to travel alone, we say have a great day.